I'm not making this video for you, I'm making it for me.
All right, so I have to use my phone now. Apparently I left my camera battery back home. I'm in beautiful Porto, Portugal this week for work, and today is my birthday. In fact, it is my 39th birthday, and as I just said, I'm making this video more for me, not so much for you guys. I have, over the last few years, put on more than a few pounds, and this video is in an effort for me to stick to myself, be true to myself, and attempt to lose some of that weight that I put on over the years. I'm just at a point now where a year from now I will be 40, and I don't want to be tired walking up the stairs. I don't want to be uncomfortable sitting down in front of coworkers or on an airplane and have a big roll of belly type thing sitting there. I don't want to be uncomfortable wearing certain clothes. I mean, it's pretty straightforward and simple. This is, again, something more for me as motivation to stick with this and to attempt to actually eat better and not just eat absolutely horrible things. Non-stop hamburgers, french fries, milkshakes, candy, lots and lots of candy, lots of soda, lots of coffee, iced coffee. I don't exactly eat the best, and that needs to change. And I need to do that not only for me, but for my family. And yeah, I'm just, again, making this more so for myself. I don't know exactly the point of this. It's just something that I had in mind of something that I would do here on my 39th birthday as, again, some sort of a bit of a motivation for me here. As I think some of you are aware, I'm looking to try and do a Magneto cosplay this year for New York Comic Con, and part of that requires me to get into somewhat of decent shape so that I don't feel super uncomfortable in really skin-tight spandex type clothing while walking around a con. I am very excited about this, though, and think that this will be a great thing for me. And again, more than likely sharing some of my progress updates on social media accounts, Twitter, Instagram, that sort of thing. But again, don't be surprised if I post a few videos here and there about different maybe equipment I'm buying. I've already picked up 2 or 3 different things that I think other people would be interested in, and that's all I ever really do on this channel is not necessarily all 3D printing stuff all the time, or cosplay all the time, or I don't know, nerdy stuff all the time. Whatever I'm interested in, I'm assuming there's probably someone else out there also interested in this, and so I figure I'll create something to share with you guys. Again, if anybody's interested in this whatsoever, let me know. I'm sure there's other folks out there that are in a similar situation as I am. Again, I'm just trying to better myself, again, for me specifically, not for you guys, although you guys will hopefully benefit from that. Hopefully that means more videos for me, hopefully better attitude for me, even though I try to bring my A game when it comes to videos here. I just, over the past handful of months, have, I wouldn't say been depressed at all, but it's just not in a, I don't know, maybe like a funk. And I attribute some of this to the weight gain. So hopefully this will help, and hopefully there'll be more content from me coming out of me, being more comfortable with you guys. And I'm not gonna be taking off my shirt and showing you guys what I look like with my shirt off, because that is way uncomfortable, way uncomfortable. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm sort of rambling now, but I just want to say thanks for watching, you guys. If you stuck around for this, thanks. Again, I'll be trying to do a follow-up here as this guy in a moped drives by. I'll be doing a follow-up here. The plan, or at least my thinking is, a year from now when I turn 40, I will post another video doing a follow-up to this, and hopefully can express some of the changes that I've gone through, good and bad maybe. I don't know, but yeah, it's sort of it, you guys. Stay tuned. I've got a few videos I'm working on while I'm here in Porto that I'll be posting later this week, but stay tuned. Hey, thanks guys. Bye now. Also, a little crazy to think that I'm almost 40. I don't feel 40. I definitely look like I'm going to be 40 soon with all the gray that I chop out of the hair and in the beard. A lot in the beard. But I can't wait to lose some weight. I'm gonna get rid of this beard at some point here. But, you know, until that happens, it does a really great job of hiding excess double chins there.